Let's go over how you can use Photoshop brushes in Affinity. So the first thing we'll do is export our brushes from Photoshop. In Photoshop, I'm going to click on Window, and I will select Brushes to open the Brushes menu. Now I want to select the brushes that I'd like to export. If you'd like to select more than one, just click on them while holding the Shift key. And with your brushes selected, click on the menu icon and go down to where it says Export Selected Brushes. I'm going to name mine Photoshop, and then I will click Save. And now we can come back into Affinity, and in the Brushes menu, I'm going to create a new category for my Photoshop brushes. So I'll click on the menu icon, and I will click on Create New Category, and I'll just name this one Photoshop. And once we have our category selected, we can click on the menu icon again and select Import Brushes. I'm going to select the ABR file that I exported from Photoshop and click Open. And it'll tell you brushes are successfully imported. Click OK, and there you go. There are your brushes. You can now begin using them in Affinity. Join the Logos by Nick mailing list and get over 200 free design templates, including logos, avatars, textures, infographics, and more. As a member, you'll receive news, updates, and tips about your favorite design apps. Just use the link below to subscribe for free and download your templates. As always, thanks for watching.